Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. If you like all things makeup related, my channel is perfect for you. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell for future notifications of uploads. I love filming makeup tutorials and just anything makeup related. So today's video is about how to make any cream blush your little heart desires. So I was watching TikTok and I really want to give credit where it's due. But I was just watching TikToks and then I was scrolling through and I don't know the person's name, but they showed a beauty trick on TikTok of how to make any cream blush your little heart desires. And I was just like, this needs to be shared. A lot of people need to know this trick so that way people can save money and just really get a good quality cream blush that they're looking for. So I really want to give credit where it's due. I do not know the person's name. If anybody knows the person, please comment below. I don't. It was just a random TikTok and I kept going through TikToks and I kept thinking that trick is just like mind blowing. All right, so this is how you can make any shade cream blush your little heart desires, and we're just gonna jump right into it. So Anastasia of Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick has been my ride or die since college. I love this. To me, it is the perfect nude pink and it's absolutely stunning. I love it. It's long wearing. I don't find their formula drying. Some people do, but it's just my perfect absolute favorite. It's always sold out for a reason. It is so good. I'm gonna have everything linked below, but Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick is something that I always wear. So I'm going to take this liquid lipstick and I'm going to make a cream blush out of it by mixing it with my foundation. So you can use a fancy little mixing, I don't know what they're called, mixing little tray thing, but I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. So there's Pure Hollywood beautiful nude pink, and I'm gonna mix. You can either mix a foundation or a concealer. I am going to mix what I have on my face right now, which is True Skin Catrice HD foundation. I have a whole video about my favorite drugstore foundations. I'll have that linked below as well. This is a ride or die amazing foundation. So I'm just gonna put a little pump on that as well. And I'm just gonna mix them together. And you get this beautiful cream pink shade. You see that? Isn't she pretty? And you can just keep mixing whatever your heart desires. I'm gonna add some more of the lipstick. I want some of that more lipstick shade, like a little bit more pink. And look how pretty, so pretty. All right, so you can either go with your finger, but I'm gonna go with a brush because I think when you just put product straight on your face, you're just putting so much product in one area and you have to blend it out. Sometimes it works for some people, but for me, I think it's better to go on a brush and have it like dispersed. So this is a Morphe JH36 and I'm gonna pat it in and then I'm gonna pat it on my cheeks. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It is. I set my under eye concealer with some powder, but other than that, I do think this is drying faster than I planned on. But she is stunning. And that is how you make any cream blush your little heart desires. And so I'm just gonna blend this out some more. And I'm actually gonna go over this with either a translucent powder just to like set it. But because it was a liquid lipstick that is matte and long lasting, like look at the back of my hand, it's really just gonna stay there. And like I said, this is from a TikToker. I did not come up with this myself. And then I was just like, I need to share this with other people because you could just save so much money and just create the perfect cream blush. It's gonna match your lipstick and it's gonna look so good. I mean, this is definitely a wow blush look, but I feel like wow blush is really in right now. So I am just gonna blend this out. Just blending it out. It's super stunning. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some of the One Size translucent powder. And I'm going to just set my whole face. I'm gonna start here in the inner half. Look at that. Ooh, baby. I love this One Size translucent powder. I really do not understand how it's not getting more hype. It's so good. So good. Alright, look at that. Look at that. Look how I set it. It just like instantly makes it matte. And this is gonna be so long lasting. And then I'm setting my forehead. I did already go on with a bronzer. All I had on my face was foundation, and I didn't want to look so washed out on camera, so yeah. I think this side was darker than this side, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna take one of my favorite lip liners. This is Sweet Tea by Morphe, and this is what Ariel uses on Kylie, and I'm going to apply this to my lips. And then I'm going to apply Pure Hollywood lipstick. And my cheeks are gonna match perfectly. And then I'm going to apply what is this? I'm gonna apply Oatmilk by Decay. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. I always apply this to the center to give it the perfect pink nude look. So I'm gonna finish the makeup look with the eyes and a setting spray and the highlight, and I will be back. Alright guys, so I applied some mascara, some setting spray, a highlight, and I just want to share with you some liquid lipsticks that I think would be really good to do this with. So I have Tarte Sell Out, which is this beautiful nude red pink tone. I have Virgin by Morphe. This is like a pinkish nude shade. I have Stila Caramello, which is a beautiful cool tone pink liquid lipstick. And I have Flower Beauty Bare Honey and Kylie Cosmetics Bare. This would be a really good shade. This is like a really good pink. And then what I used for my video is Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick. I haven't tried this yet with regular lipstick, but I'm sure it would work. That completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and push the bell for future notifications of uploads. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.